Oh, there's JP. There's Marky. We got another driveway done. Look at that. Another driveway in the books. That's 4 for this subdivision. I think we got 1 more to go. Just 1 more. Chain down. The stone matches the house really nicely. Pretty good. Driveway number 4 for this subdivision. They're putting up a whole lot more houses there, and then down there they're just doing a soil correction, and obviously all along the back. And along the back that'll be houses. So I'm sure I'll be doing another 4 or 5 or 6 driveways here next year. We got 1 more to go on the subdivision, which we're starting next week. It is Friday, and we should be done that one, let's say Wednesday. Alright, so I'm going to get this machine brought over to our next little site. We got a little demo job coming up, a little tiny one. Personal demo job. We're going to my house. There's a shed that's been there since I bought the house, and it's literally ready to fall over. So we're gonna tear it down and move it on to the dump. I will see you guys over there. Alright, so we tore all the siding off. It's in the truck. There's JP. This thing was so rotten. We put a new door in. Check it out. We put a new door in the back. Pulled the siding off, and most of the walls came with it. They got it like buried. My foot went through the floor. Obviously we never kept anything in here. We've been planning to tear this down like last year, and then obviously COVID happened. A lot of shit didn't happen last year, but anyways. I'm gonna hand this over on to JP. JP.
Yeah, I got 303 here. Make this thing a fatty.
Alright, so I didn't do the best job of explaining why we took the siding off. And now obviously I'm trying to get the shingles off. Because everything is required to be separated to go to our dump. It's going to be 2 trips anyway, because the shed, the previous owners of this house left the shed full of stuff, including the lawnmower in the background there. That's not my lawnmower, mine's in the garage. So yeah, I have to separate the siding, shingles, basically all of the garbage from the wood. Because they do reuse wood at the dump site. They basically mulch it up. Some of it ends up turning into topsoil, some of it turns into mulch, and the city uses it at our lovely waterfront, the city hall, and anywhere of their property that requires mulch and stuff like that. Anyways, that's why I am separating the shingles, the vinyl siding, and everything like that. Alright, so let's get back to the video.
That's a well-built structure. Look at that.
Yeah, so normally we wouldn't during a demo. I wouldn't separate the siding, shingles, etc. I would just tear it down and send it off. Now, when you actually knock the structure down, you see what I'm doing here. I'm trying to knock everything to the inside. Unfortunately, it doesn't work out too well with this one, but by doing that, it kind of contains your mess within the structure. That is the best way to do a demo. Anyways, let's get back to the video. Load this up, and I'm gonna head on to the dump. You guys can spread that out where the bottom of the dump, the back tires are, where it's all low. And just a little dressing in that area. It's just gonna be a little bit mangled.
Yeah, quite a bit of 2x4s, quite a bit of value sitting right there if it wasn't all rotten and destroyed. But yes, just sand her down, it'll be like new. Yes, see, oh, he was not pleased with that one. Oh, look at that. He's separating that one. Yeah, he's gonna smash her. Give it a second. Gonna shorten her on down. Now, would you look at that? Good piece of lumber. What are you gonna build yourself with that there, Mark? Yes. Yeah, they could use her.
Alright, so we got the shed all taken down. It's all gone. Now this whole area pretty much all the way around up through here. That was all seeded. Turned out pretty good. I will be putting a new shed in that area, but it's going to be a little while because I have a fence to build next year. My wife wants a vegetable garden. We're probably going to have right in that corner there where the old shed was that we took down. The new shed I may put right close to it somewhat, maybe right in that area. But before any of that goes on, like I said, I got to take this tree down, that tree, no, that's the neighbor's tree, that tree. And there's a shoot off of that maple that has to come down, and then I'm doing a 6-foot womanized fence next year, then her vegetable garden, and then I'm going to be landscaping the front, driveway, everything, blah blah blah. Yeah, but you guys will see videos on that, on all that next year. I just wanted to show you how the seeding turned out. I was not going to sod here because, like I said, there's a lot of people that just specifically want the sod because you instantaneously have grass. But the seeding is fine enough for me. Out in the front yard, you will see what I'll be doing there. It's not going to be sod and it's not going to be seeded. It's going to be fun. You'll have to watch that video next year. Anyways, it is Sunday morning. It's Halloween night. I'm currently editing that video right now, and a few others that are coming out next week and next weekend as well. Plenty more vids coming. I spent all morning editing videos. Anyway, you guys take care. Catch you on the next one.